It says in Treasury of Abhidharma and the Compendium of Abhidharma that of all negative emotions, pride and jealousy are the most difficult to recognize. When you are furious, others can tell. You are very angry, and you also know. You are in a very bad temper. When you are greedy, you notice the feeling, I have great desire for someone or something. In comparison, pride and jealousy are hard to recognize. An old Tibetan proverb says, never will the water of good qualities remain on the mountaintop of pride, or never will the seed of good qualities sprout on the iron lump of pride. Why does this happen? It is because once you are proud, you feel you already understand the teachings given by the teacher. Thus your mind is shielded by the guard of pride, so whatever good quality arrives, it is stopped from entering the mind.